What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you guys when is the right time to change to a bigger plan and how to manage your daily limits of sending the emails. As you guys can see that the daily limits shows right over here. You will see that there are 300 left out of 300 until this date. I consumed 300 that was given to me on 6th of the March, but I haven't utilized a single email till now from the 7th. So if your usage is more than 500, more than 300 per day, that is the time to change the plan. And if you want to see the plan and pricing, all that option, here it is. For the starter plan, $9 a month, you will get to send 5,000 emails per month. And it is standard practice for the $18 per month as well. But if you upgrade it to $500 per month, you're able to send 1,50,000 emails per month or 150,000 emails per month. So this is something that you need to notice. Otherwise, if you ask me how you guys can maintain it, so for that, make sure that your volume stays within 300, or you can make a bunch of the for example, if you have one niche for the email campaign, but you have to make segments. If you want to go to the contacts, for example, go to the CRM, go to the segments, for the same list make different segments so that you utilize it on the daily basis. If you have 2000 contact lists but you have a free plan, make different sections. For example, you can make segments of 200 or maybe 300 for six different or maybe seven different with six different segments of 300 and one different segment of 200, and you will be able to consume it in less than nine in less than seven different tenures, and that would do it for you guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.